Jonah Henry, and Milani Ronquillo on the very cool rhythm section here. We got Justin Woods on the guitar. Saxes, you got to see. Ben Ladeau, you heard him all night. You probably didn't see him. It's Ben. Doing a great job all night on the bass, Kevin Baudressel. Drum set, Michael Bach. And on the other side of the rhythm section world, Andrew Bushway on all the auxiliary percussion. That's an inflatable vibe set that he brought in his back pocket. Trumpet section back here, Johnny Weber, we've heard him a lot tonight. Dan Kropp, who had a wonderful solo worked up on Little Darling. Johnny took it since Dan wasn't here tonight, but I heard it in my mind, Dan, it was wonderful. Dan Kropp, Kennedy Saban, Ryan Torpia, and Ian Smith. I introduced you all to the trombones earlier, but this is one heck of a band to get to work with each day. It's been a lot of fun getting this gig together. And later on, before the end of the school year, there'll be another Roadhouse gig featuring our Lindbergh High School Jazz Lab and Jazz Band and the middle school jazz ensemble. They'll do a night here sometime before the end of the school year, so keep on the lookout for that. Night of Jazz is coming up April 23rd, Tuesday, April 23rd. We're looking at trying to get an alumni jazz band to finish up the night there, bringing back some LHS legends back to the stage to play for you guys. So that'll be awesome. Lots of stuff.